Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In next 4 minutes I am going to tell you about career options after 12th science and benefits of selecting science stream. So before we start, a very big congratulations from YT Broadcast to all my HSC and SSC pass out friends. So we starts with the benefits of choosing science stream. The first benefit is you can eligible for both science and non-science career option. Second, if you want to study pure science, you have to do BSc. Third, if you are from science background, you can go to CDS, NDA, National Defense Academy, and you can also practice commercial pilot. And civil services option are open to all streams, science, commerce and arts. Now we are going to discuss most popular science career option after 12th. So many students prefer to go medical stream. In medical you can do MBBS, BDS, BMS, homeopathy and lot more. For that you have to appear for competitive exams like NEET, AIIMS, JIPMA and lot more. For career options in medical field we make a separate video for that. For non-medical field, many students like to go for BE, BTech and architecture. Nowadays, hotel management and animation is also getting craze. You can also do BCA, Bachelor in Computer Application, and MCA, Masters in Computer Application. If you have interest in research and development and want to do BSc and MSc, then you must target IISA. It is one of the best institute for pure science field and it has its separate exam. For that you must have bio in your 11th and 12th. BE and BTech are considered as a professional degree courses. Their duration is 4 years and basic eligibility criteria for this, you must have 50% aggregate marks in PCM group in 12th board. There are 4000 plus colleges in India that provides you this degree. For that you have to give entrance exam. There are lot of entrance exam as per different colleges, but most popularly JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, BITSAT and MHTCET for Maharashtra. Most popular BE and BTech specializations are computer science engineering, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical production, civil, electrical, instrumentation, textile, chemical and automobile engineering. If you want to go for NDA, National Defense Academy, then you have to give its entrance exam that conducted twice in a year, that you can give after 10th also. And if you pass in that exam, then they take your interview, then you can go for Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. But for Indian Air Force and Navy, you must have physics and maths in your 12th, and for Army, there is no such condition. If you want to go in animation field, then basic eligibility criteria is you must pass 12th in any stream with 50% marks. Some institute also offer it after 10th. Its duration is 3 years. Some famous institute that offers you this course is International School of Design Delhi, JSS College of Arts Mysore and Arena Animation Mumbai and lot of more colleges. Next course is hotel management. Basic eligibility criteria for this is you must qualify 10+2 with PCM group. Its duration is 6 months to 1 year for certificate course. For diploma 2 years and for degree course it took 3 years. For selection in government and private colleges, you have to give CET common entrance test that held in April every year. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.